So why should a small business owner hire a boring attorney versus an exciting attorney? There are just certain business owners that are willing to roll the dice. They are willing to go to Vegas and take all the money that they've earned over years and gamble it all. Just roll the dice on the craps table and put it all in and see what happens. They have the stomach for that. They're willing to do that, and it's an adrenaline rush for them. They see high risk equals high reward. But the real business owners, the successful business owners, they hire the boring attorneys like us. They're more like, I'd rather just watch that kind of stuff, the exciting stuff like that, on TV. That is not really how a successful business happens. They are not okay rolling the dice because they realize they have people depending on them. They have put all of their hard work and time into making their business successful. They're not willing to risk it all. They've got employees, they have clients and customers. Their own families are depending on the business owner to be successful and not risk everything when it comes to the business. So hiring a boring attorney like us is more reality. Boring attorneys, we work behind the scenes. We are not those attorneys that are just itching to be hired by a business owner who is in a desperate situation. Those attorneys, they can force a business owner to pay their hourly rates, which are high, because that business owner has no other recourse. They are desperate. They're about to lose it all, and now they're calling in the big guns who are ready to fight the fight to save the business. Well, the boring attorneys, we want to help successful business owners avoid the adrenaline rush. We want you to sleep at night. We want you to take the necessary steps so that you don't find yourself in that desperate and vulnerable situation where you have to hire one of those attorneys. If there is a lawsuit that ends up happening, those successful business owners who have been playing it safe, they've worked with the boring attorneys behind the scenes to put everything in place, they've been running their business in a way to protect it. If a lawsuit does happen, they can say, you know what, bring it on. We are ready. We have done everything that we know we're supposed to do. We are not gambling this business. We are being intentional, and we are listening to the legal advice that's being given to us and operating in a way to protect the livelihood of the business. Because those smart and successful business owners, they realize that a looming lawsuit is the quickest way to drain out their cash flow. They are real, they are prepared, they are responsible business owners who use the boring attorneys. Those adventurous business owners can run a business into the ground, and they're probably used to that. They're probably used to just digging out and rebuilding a business over and over again. But the ones that are successful and want to play it safe, they don't roll the dice. They can sleep at night. So that's where we come in. We are those boring attorneys. We are affordable. We are not catching you in a desperate situation. We will actually be able to help you save so much money if you do end up in a lawsuit, because it won't be desperate. You'll be prepared for it, and you'll be able to handle it. Keep that exciting stuff on TV. Let those exciting attorneys handle the risk takers. The successful business owners, they hire us boring attorneys.